As you can see, this one is model PE 750 1060 model. And next to it, there's vibrating feeder over there. This line is ready to work, ready to launch. The next one is impact crusher one. This impact crusher, mobile crusher, hasn't finished the work. It has just been painted. There are some works to do on the painting. And the next one, the third one, hydraulic cone crusher, HP 300. It has just also been painted. And the factory says this one and the next one could be ready in 20 days. After the painting, it will look like this. A very beautiful design. All right. We cannot go on this one, but we can show the next one if there are stairs over there. Here you can see the factory. Let's see that. Have a look inside the impact crusher. How to get on this thing. Alright, wait a second. Now we are on the impact crusher. I guess it's a little bit dangerous. And the next one is the jaw crusher. Let's go there. Jaw crusher and vibrating feeder.